Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your phone to a Toyota Highlander. First, make sure your Highlander is safely parked with the ignition on. This ensures you can focus on the pairing process without distraction. Next, navigate to the Setup menu on your infotainment screen. From there, select Bluetooth to initiate the connection process. It's a straightforward process and will guide you through each step. Now, let's get your phone ready. Open your phone settings and ensure Bluetooth is turned on. Your phone will then start searching for nearby devices. Look for Toyota Highlander in the list and select it. A pairing code will appear on both your phone and the Highlander's screen. Double-check that these codes match before confirming the connection. This security step ensures you're connecting to the correct vehicle. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. Your support helps us create more content. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh on the go, whether you're driving your Highlander or just at home. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once the codes match, you'll be prompted to grant permissions on your phone. Allow access for contacts and audio to ensure full functionality. After granting permissions, test the connection. Try making a quick call or playing some music through the Highlander's speakers. Moving forward, your phone should automatically connect to your Toyota Highlander whenever you get into the vehicle, making your drives more convenient. Sometimes, you might encounter a small hiccup. If your phone doesn't connect, a simple restart of both your phone and the Highlander's infotainment system often resolves the issue. If problems persist, try deleting any old Bluetooth profiles from both your phone and the vehicle. This clears out old data and allows for a fresh connection. For specific model details, always refer to your Highlander's owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.